everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Star, and if this is your first time, then it's just welcome to my channel. This week we will be tackling the couch, the infamous beautiful antique couch that I got. So as you can tell, this is really old. I don't know if you guys have noticed, I'm pretty sure you have because you're all smart people, but I have this sheet on here and it's covering the fabric that needs to be changed. I am not a professional. We'll put that out there. I'm not a professional, but we will do the best that we can. I also realized that I forgot to buy GIMP ribbon, but for right now we're gonna be removing the fabric. I have my fabric and hopefully it's enough. I should have brought like a few yards more, but it should be fine. I'll make it work. I was gonna stream this, but no, I don't have the social capacity right now to stream because streaming would be more strenuous. So we're just gonna get started. Alright guys, so as you can see what I'm doing here, it's very simple, very straightforward. I'm just removing the GIMP. You want to start from the last thing first is what I heard whenever I did my initial research on this type of thing. Here's a close-up of what we have here. So I will say that this part was the easiest part. Everything else was, it was a lot to handle. This is the tufting, although I still don't think I'm gonna personally do it because it looks a little too daunting for me. And this task already seems pretty daunting, so this task already seems pretty daunting, like I was saying. And I don't know if I'm gonna do the tufting that's on here. It's beautiful tufting. It's probably not gonna happen, but it's fine. I'm okay with that because I'm kind of surprised that the tufting doesn't weird me out since I have a fear of holes. Some things set off my tryptophobia, I think that's what it's called, and other things don't. But I am going to run some errands and then I will be back to work on the couch. I feel like I got pretty far on the couch, but I also feel like I'm going through, I don't know. I've been up since 5 a.m. It's 9 o'clock. I've been up since 5 a.m. I drank coffee, tried to take a nap, but I'm not tired, but I am tired, and here I am about to drink an energy drink because I wanted the flavor of it. But this is how far I've gotten. It's a mess. There's the foam, the new foam, and I guess that's gonna go in these areas, I guess. I don't know. I still need to find my staple gun and everything, but I'm literally almost done. I just have to remove these pieces from back here and part of the couch bottom cushion, like this right here, and then I'll be done with the fabric. And I feel like I really feel like I just want to keep going. I really don't feel tired. I really want to keep going. This wouldn't have taken so long if I just actually sat my butt at home all day, but I kind of like
did errands and other things, but we are going to go ahead and do the thing. The amount of cotton and just how much was in this couch just doesn't make any sense to me. I filled up like 4 garbage bags of cotton. It's ridiculous. And here I am just removing the horsehair, and I'm gonna vacuum in a minute. And here is my beautiful bag of horsehair. Here we are, just vacuuming up the horsehair and everything and preparing to put the what's it called, the foam. It's called a specific type of foam, but I can't, the word escapes me right now. But we're preparing to put the foam on, and I'm so glad that I did not have to restring anything, because that was just not gonna happen at all. You can see me stapling the foam here. And I cut it right here, but I cut it too short. I made a few mistakes with this project, but it was good to learn things. All in all, everything was pretty straightforward. I just held it down and stapled it. Even with all the mistakes and everything, I still think I did a really good job for someone who has no idea what they're doing. I think I did, or I got the easiest part done, which is the batting, the whatever the heck this is called, stuffing. I don't know, but foam, the upholstery foam. I feel like I got the easiest part done. What I'm about to do now is I'm gonna be layering this so it can be a little bit more puffy. This is just 1-inch foam. It's very flimsy, so I'm gonna be like hot gluing and layering that on there and adding some probably some of the cotton right here so that it can like smooth out and everything. But we're gonna be doing that. I really hope that I have enough fabric. I did my first cut of fabric, and if I'm breathing weird, it's because it's like I'm having a slight panic attack, kind of, but like it's just like, oh my gosh, this is actually happening. I hope it comes out okay. I just stapled the top and the bottom here, and I'm gonna like fill in. I'm gonna staple the sides, and then I'm gonna fill it in to make it fluffy. And that might be all that I do for tonight, because since I made that first cut, I literally cannot go back, and I'm freaking out about it. Yeah. Hey, today's a new day. I stopped at a certain point because I was up for a very long time yesterday, and I feel like I probably had a manic episode. I don't know, but Anyway, my right hand is hurting so bad from using the staple gun. But today we're gonna try to get to a decent stopping point. We're gonna try and get to a decent stopping point. This is where we are with the couch. I have to cut across here. I have to cut across here. And then I have to use those salvage scraps and sew it along these two sides. So I can have enough to pull it taut right there and staple it down. And make sure that I have enough fabric to staple down on the back side as well. That's probably the only thing I'm gonna do today. I'm looking at the fabric, and if what I have right now is enough to cover the sofa part, I don't see why it wouldn't be enough to cover the entire couch. So I do think that I have enough fabric, but I'm still scared, just worried about stuff. But other than that, that's all we're gonna do today. Freaking glare. That's all we're gonna do today. So let's get to it. Today, my husband decided to help me. He said he would help me, but I tend to just do things on my own and, complain about it later. I need to work on that. But as he was helping me, it did go a lot quicker. Here we are, just stapling down the cushion, the seat cushion part of the couch. Truly, I'm grateful that he helped me because my hand was hurting really badly, but I still wanted to staple. Look, here I am stapling even though my hand hurts really bad. And I think one of the main reasons why I wanted to do it so badly is because I have this thing where I just love to watch stuff come to life and come together. So being a part of that is something that I really want to experience instead of being the part that sees it happen. I want to help make it happen. However, with all of that said, I will say that if you want to tackle this project, please get a staple gun that is either PSI or compressed air, or one that's battery operated, because this project was a lot. But what I'm doing right here is I'm just folding over the fabric to make it match, because I'm gonna be sewing the little seam right there. I was a little too lazy and I didn't feel like getting out using my sewing machine, which I kind of regret that I didn't, but I just didn't feel like measuring. I just wanted to go in even though I thought I didn't have enough fabric. Turned out I did have enough fabric. I had more than enough, but I just did not want to measure anything. Measuring just really upsets me. So honestly, from this point, I realized that I have more than enough fabric, and I just kind of went for it. I just decided to do what needed to be done. And this right here was the final stretch of the night. I was tired. I was ready to go to bed. and I will reevaluate things in the morning. Here we are in the last day of the project for stapling fabric and doing all these other finishing touches. I just stapled the bottom I cut, and I just go from there. It was pretty straightforward. Some things were a little bit off, but all in all, I really do like how everything turned out. I'm super excited. Some nails I had to pull out, but I was able to do it as best as I could. And then I just went ahead and continued on. And the last thing that I was doing was just basically sewing this. I was doing a ladder stitch, but at some point on that side, I kind of like forgot how to do a ladder stitch. And I also should have started at the bottom. I did that on the other side, but on this side, I messed up a bit.
So I'm gonna cut today's video here. It's already a pretty long video. The couch is about 90% done. As you can see from the footage, I need to put the GIMP lace on here, trim. I already said that it'll be in Tuesday, but we're gonna go ahead and end the video, and in the upcoming parts and updates of my home, you will see that the couch will be finished. I also need to gild it, but that'll come at a later date. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video. I hope you all stick around. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, subscribe, all of the wonderful things. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.